Nestled in the picturesque highlands of Santa Catarina, Brazil, lies the tranquil town of Urubici, a haven for nature lovers seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and temperate climates, Urubici attracts tourists year-round, drawn to its serene beauty and lush surroundings. It's within this idyllic setting that a vision for a weekend retreat was born, a sanctuary designed to seamlessly blend with its natural surroundings while providing comfort and tranquility for its occupants. The project for the weekend house in Urubici was conceived with a deep appreciation for the region's topography, vegetation, and orientation. Situated on a generous plot of over 20,000 square meters, characterized by rugged terrain and a majestic Araucaria forest, the house was designed to harmonize with its surroundings rather than compete with them. The goal was to create a retreat that not only offered solace and comfort but also celebrated the intrinsic beauty of the natural landscape. In designing the retreat, two distinct architectural movements were employed to create a harmonious union between the man-made structure and the natural environment. The first movement involved the construction of a retaining wall using locally sourced stones, which served to standardize the topography and provide a solid foundation for the dwelling. This natural podium not only elevated the house but also integrated it into the rugged landscape, creating a sense of rootedness and stability. Upon this stone base, a rectangular prism in exposed concrete was erected, a nod to the rationality and constructive honesty of heroic modernism. The simplicity of form and materiality pays homage to the vernacular wooden cabins of the region while also aligning with the principles of contemporary Brazilian architecture. The texture of the concrete, bearing the marks of its formwork, further enhances the connection to the surrounding landscape, evoking a sense of timelessness and continuity. Internally, the house is a study in contrasts, the cool, gray tones of the concrete juxtaposed with the warmth of the reforested wood floor. A large, uninterrupted glass panel spans one side of the house, seamlessly merging the interior with the exterior and inviting nature to become an integral part of the living space. This blurring of boundaries not only enhances the sense of connection to the surrounding landscape but also fosters a feeling of openness and expansiveness within the home. Ultimately, the weekend retreat in Urubici is more than just a dwelling, it's an experience. It's a place where formal simplification and tactile uniformity give rise to sensory complexity, creating a space that is both serene and stimulating. Here, domestic life unfolds organically, with moments of happiness and tranquility balancing the adversities of daily life. It's an architecture that expands the boundaries of the built environment and invites occupants to reconnect with nature, to find solace, inspiration, and renewal amidst the beauty of the natural world.